Countertop blenders are a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone who loves to cook or make their own smoothies and juices at home. There are many products available to choose countertop blenders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best countertop blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vitamix 50-200 Blender, Professional Grade, Container. The Vitamix 50-200 blender is a powerful countertop blender that offers variable speed control, perfect for achieving various textures in your blends. Its large 64-ounce container is great for making medium to large batches of smoothies or soups. The blades can heat ingredients to steaming hot in just 6 minutes, ideal for making hot soups. With hardened stainless steel blades, this blender can handle tough ingredients effortlessly. Additionally, its self-cleaning feature allows for easy cleaning with just soap and water, making maintenance a breeze. Number 2. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. The Blendtec Red Blender Bundle, known as the Blendtec Total Classic Blender, offers 6 blend cycles, making it versatile for smoothies, sauces, and soups. With the Easy Access feature, you can add ingredients without removing the lid, perfect for quick drink preparations. The vented lid is great for blending hot liquids like soups, ensuring safety with pressure release. Clear markings on the blender jar assist in measuring ingredients for shakes and smoothies while blending. The blunt blade design ensures safe blending by pulverizing ingredients effectively. Number 3. Vitamix Con A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix Smart Blender, known as the A3300, features touchscreen controls for easy cleaning. With variable speed control and pulse feature, you can adjust the texture of your recipes precisely. Its built-in wireless connectivity automatically adjusts blending times based on the container size. The programmable timer helps prevent over or underprocessing, turning off the machine after the set blend time. This blender allows you to pair with various container sizes, creating a customized blending system tailored to your needs. Number 4. Breville the Super Cube Blender. The Breville Super Q Blender, or Breville Super Q, is a top-of-the-line countertop blender. With its powerful 1800-watt motor, it ensures quick blending of fruits and vegetables, resulting in smooth textures. The personal blender attachment allows you to mix directly into your own cup, while the Vac Q removes air for better flavors. The 5 one-touch programs cater to various needs like smoothies and soups, and the 12 speed settings offer versatility for different recipes. The noise suppression technology makes blending quieter, and the innovative lid design and auto-clean function add convenience to your blending experience. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender is a powerful machine with 1,100-watt motor that can crush ice to snow in seconds. It offers versatile functions with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and a single-serve function for on-the-go cups. Its XL capacity, 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher can make creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family. It also has a food processing feature for easy meal preparation. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, and it comes with a 28-recipe inspiration guide.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.